2-for-1 special. 2-for-1 special. Let's get it. What's up, you guys? This video today, as you can see, I still got my custom. You see that lean? Actually, I might use this for my thumbnail. Yeah, for both videos. Classic. But yo, this video is on why I bought and unboxing my brand new camera. Now this is make sure I get this right, because I've been trying to get this right. This has been on my Sony Alpha, a 51,000 mirrorless camera, and it comes with a 16 to 50 millimeter retractable lens. Now the story behind this and why I got this was when I first went to buy my Canon camera. I use a Canon T6 Rebel, I believe. You think I would know, I use it every day. But when I went to buy that, I asked them what was the best camera that I could get here at the moment, and they told me that this one was it. Now I didn't get this one at the time because I was specifically just using it to do unboxing and stuff like that. But as I grew doing this, I just wanted to get out the house and be able to vlog more, be able to do more on feet, and you know, just things like that, man. I didn't want to limit myself, so I always knew I was going to go back and get this camera, and so I did. Now I'm not gonna lie, this is my second time shooting this video, so you're not gonna see the plastic, you're not gonna see the books and none of that, because I shot it one time and I felt like I didn't explain myself well enough, so you know, I'm shooting it again. But here we go. As we open it up, you know, you just got your random stuff, your random box stuff. We lift it there, and let's go through some of the stuff that we get here. Of course, you get your strap that you hang around your neck. You get a power cord to charge it. You get your wall charger. Oh no, I mean, you get your battery. I'm not even looking at it. And then you get your wall charger. And then we get the main event. The big boy, come on out. Don't be afraid. Be shy. We get our Sony PowerShot camera. Now this is a lot of hard work. This is a major come up for me. Very excited to have this. Luckily for me, I bought all kinds of Jesus, I don't even. Luckily for me, I have all kinds of tripods, so I didn't have to buy one for this. But yeah, this is my camera, and the best part to me about this is that it flips up. So when I'm doing my on-foot looks, when I'm doing my outfits of the day, when I'm doing my vlogs, I can see what I'm doing. I can see what's going on. That was major for me, because when you're holding it up, you want to be able to see what you're looking at to make sure everything's in focus, everything's going how you predicted it. And then when you're just shooting it, like you're just holding it, trying to shoot, you can still see it, like when your face is not in it. It's just it was a major selling point to me. I heard nothing but good things about this. I believe out of 5, it got like a 4.6 out of 5 in customer reviews. So people are really digging it. I'm interested to break it out and see what it can do. And it has our Wi-Fi capabilities, which is always an added plus, man. But to me, this symbolizes growth. This symbolizes not being afraid to change, not being able to step out the box creatively, because I'm like, I've done so many unboxings and things of that nature. It's time to do other things with this camera. It's time to venture out, man. It's time to, you know, try something new. It's no point to have a channel and be doing the same things over and over again. And to me, that's what this symbolizes more than anything. Actually, as I have this sitting there, that's what both these things symbolize to me more than anything, is growth and trying something new and stepping out the box. So I'm really excited to keep hustling this channel. And you know, we keep growing. I appreciate the support. Any new subscribers, I appreciate you too. You all are like family to me. It's been your boy DWIGHTMANGAULDIN. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Press that bell so you can be notified on everything that we got going on. Brand new camera on deck. Hopefully we can get some cool stuff with this. And I am out.